Hello student, welcome to online class of English. Today we will study English grammar of class 5. The chapter is chapter number 17, perfect tense. In this, today we shall study about past perfect tense. So let's see what is past perfect tense. First of all, I am going to write you definition of past perfect tense. The definition is that is the sentence is sentences that tell us about actions that were completed before another action in past time are said to be in past perfect are said to be past perfect tense. The sentences that tell us about action that were completed before another actions in past time are said to be in past perfect tense. Okay, now let's see the rules of past perfect tense. So now let's see the rules of past perfect tense. There is three main rules. First is affirmative rules. That is affirmative sentence rule. In this, first subject, then had plus past participle that is third form of the main verb, that is third form of the main verb followed by object. This is the rule of affirmative sentence in past perfect tense. For example, I had reached at the school on time. In this sentence, I had reached at the school on time. This sentence is in past perfect tense and in affirmative form. So now let's see what is the negative of the same sentence. First we see the rules of the negative sentence, then we see the same example in negative form. So for negative, sentence Now, negative sentence, the same sentence can be written in negative form also. So it is called as negative rule of past perfect tense, that is subject plus had plus not plus, that is V3, that is the main third form of the verb which we call it past perfect, past participle, and then object. Let's see the same example in negative form as I have written before. The example is I had not reached at the school on time. So in this way I have changed the same sentence in negative form. That is, I had not reached at the school on time. Now let's see the same sentence in affirmative form. The same sentence I will write in affirmative form. So affirmative of the same interrogative, the same sentence I will write in interrogative form. Let's see interrogative of the same sentence, that is interrogative. The rules of interrogative is subject, it is had. Had comes in the beginning of the sentence to make the sentence in interrogative form. So had plus subject plus got third form, then object. In this case, when we make the same sentence in interrogative form, then the helping verb had, that comes in the beginning of the sentence, followed by the subject, then the past participle of the main verb, and the last object. So in this way, the same example as I have written before. Example, thus had I reached at the school on time. The same sentence here, the same sentence I have converted into interrogative form, and the interrogative of the same sentence, that had I reached at the school on time. Affirmative of the same sentence. Now let me show you all the sentence. Okay. पूरे सेंटेंस को एक बार फिर हम दोबारा से लिख दे रहे हैं अफर्मेटिव के तौर पे। अफर्मेटिव में सेंटेंस था आई हैड रिच्ड एट द स्कूल on time। सेम सेंटेंस का नेगेटिव होता है, सेम सेंटेंस का नेगेटिव होगा आई हैड नॉट रीच्ड एट द स्कूल on time। That is, I had, sorry, interrogative na. That is, had I reached at the school on time. In this way, I have shown you the same sentence in affirmative form, in negative form, and also in interrogative form. Okay? So, this video is based on past perfect tense. With one example, I have given you 3 types of sentence in affirmative form, in negative form, and also in interrogative form. I hope this is clear to you. Okay? Thank you.